We're going to welcome in Mike Harrell now, president of Harrell Automotive, for this week's edition of You Ought to Know. Mike, nice to see you.
It's great to see you as well.
Yes, it's still nice and sunny out there, enjoying the day?
Oh, it's so warm out now.
Yeah, it's perfect.
This morning when I got to work, it was a little chilly, but now it is gorgeous.
How many walks have the dogs gone today?
Too many. Not enough.
All right, well, let's get right to our questions today. Mary writes, I had to have my 2017 Audi A6 jump-started by AAA, and ever since that day, my windows they're working differently, apparently. They used to go up and down with the touch of a button. Now I have to hold the button both ways, up or down. Did I damage something by having it jump-started?
Well, Mary, AAA is certainly a lifesaver, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? When you need it, it's nice to have that lifeline. Being a European and an Audi, it's very common. The window parameter, the up stop and the down stop does have to be set. But Mary, that's something you can do yourself. If you take that window and roll it all the way down and then keep your finger on the down button for 5 seconds, release it, and then roll it all the way up, but keep your finger on the up button for 5 seconds after it hit its up limit. It should reset that parameter and be good to go.
Oh,
my goodness.
a little trick there.
Just a little one.
Okay.
Good quick tip too.
Yeah.
Could take
Being a
less than a
former
minute to
Audi
do.
technician, I've done a few of those.
Okay.
Yeah, so you know all the tips and tricks.
Yeah.
Let's get to this question from Candy. She writes, my 2020 Honda Pilot has a loud squeal from the back of the car after it sits longer than 4 hours. I had the brakes looked at and they are in great shape. My mechanic said about half of the pad life is left and is hesitant to replace them. What am I able to do to stop announcing to my neighbors that I'm leaving? This one again coming from Candy.
Well, Candy, just because they're not worn out doesn't mean you can't replace it. If the noise is that much of an irritation, just ask your mechanic to replace them. Or come see us. We can get that taken care of real quick.
Does it seem to just be an annoying noise? It's not any safety hazard for the car?
Looking at the information I have, she has already talked to her mechanic about it. He mentioned the brakes were in at least good usable life left. I'd say it's probably the brakes. We typically have a little bit of rust that builds up on them as it sits for a bit, and then when we back up, that sweep of those pads will take it off and sometimes make some odd noises.
Sure, yeah. But it's safe to drive, but if you want to get it replaced and get rid of that noise, go right ahead and do it.
If you had it looked at by your mechanic and he said it was safe, I'm going to say it was probably safe as well.
All right. We want to talk about something else today because one of our viewers, Heather, who loves First at 4, she sent me a little alert that you're having a women's automotive workshop
love
event.
this, Mike.
Mike, you're gatekeeping this from us. We had to hear this from our viewers.
This is really, really cool. Tell us about what's happening a Saturday in June.
Well, we do have a women's automotive workshop. So on that Saturday, we're just going to take some time. We're going to go over some basic maintenance items on the vehicle, how to check fluids, tire pressures, to determine what an operator can look at and check to see if the car is safe before a road trip, as well as a couple easy maintenance items that we're going to teach the ladies to do themselves, like a cabin air filter.
With no mansplaining.
No mansplaining
I
is
love
what
that.
it said in the event.
No mansplaining. That would be Mrs. Harrell. She put that in there, and she will hold us to it, I guarantee it.
Do you find that women are apprehensive a little bit to pop open the hood and learn about their car?
Not usually. Truth be told, when we get somebody that wants a great explanation of what's going on with their vehicle, we'll pull them out and show them. We'll put it up on the lift and show them exactly what we see and what's going on with a good explanation. Our service advisors, the people that you would talk to if you came to our shop, they're not mechanics, they're not technicians, but they're good mediators between the technician and the customer. They're also good at timing and workflow. So they keep the technicians doing what they need to do, at the same time letting you know what's going on with your vehicle, and they do a wonderful job bringing people back and showing exactly what's going on.
And tell the ladies how to register.
How to register. Right now, we have it on our Facebook page. You'd have to go on to the online and find our Facebook page, Harrell Automotive, and there is a link to register there, but it should be up. Today is Tuesday. By Thursday on our website that you'd be able to just click on a link to register. We do ask that you do register. That way we can keep the group small.
Yeah, and otherwise it's free, right? You just have to register.
Zero charge.
Thank you, Mike.